Congratulations, you decided to use YouTube as a marketing tool for your business. Now, what kind of videos are you gonna be making? Well, I curated a list of 6 types of videos that are essential as a business to make on YouTube and post on YouTube for different reasons. It could be to engage your audience, to create brand awareness, to make your an authority figure, to get direct sales, whatever it is. Every video does have its pros and cons. And what do I mean with that? Like, some videos are easier to make. Some videos will take more resources or time or literally money to make those videos. So I want to make you aware of those. Number 6 is my personal favorite. Reason being is because that's how Playstack came about, my YouTube agency. So I'm Milan. I am the co-founder of Playstack. We are a YouTube growth agency. We help 7-8-figure business owners use YouTube as their personal brand or as a effective marketing tool. My goal is for people to run their YouTube channel and only have to spend a couple of hours a month doing this. On this channel, we talk about YouTube growth. We have some really cool conversations with marketers, B2B growth gurus, some big creators in the YouTube space and other spaces like LinkedIn. So go check that out. Before we dive into number 1, I just want to say that the way I look at YouTube is like every video is a sales asset. So the goal is to use it on YouTube, but it could be used in your whole sales funnel, right? Like if you use it in your email or just on the website as a VSL, or if you just start answering questions from your FAQ in a video format. So let's dive into that first one. The first one is like your introduction or channel trailer. Now, this can fit on YouTube, this can fit on other places. And the person that does that really well is Daniel Priestley. And the way he explained to this is it's like an elevator pitch, right? Like within 1 minute or 2 minutes, you want to be explaining who you are, what you do, what results you got, why you're credible to listen to. This framework works really well. So according to Daniel Priestley, by the way, he made millions of dollars and helped others doing the same exact thing. This elevator pitch basically is to build that credibility. You're touching upon problems that people have and you have the solution for that. So urging them to like follow you along and watch the channel or check out further in your website. This video, ideally you redo every 6 months because you might have more results. There's a different target audience that you really want to deliver to. So make sure this is always for the viewers that are not subscribed on your channel. And so when they click on the channel, that's the first thing they see, or use it on the website as well. It could be even like your your email footer, but it's very effective. Now, the next one is kind of your about story or your company story. It could be like your founder story. Now, it might sound a little bit cheesy and you think like, how is that going to get me sales? How is that going to get me viewers? That not necessarily, but there's so many videos and type of videos that will help you convert viewers. And this is one of them. This is really to explain like the struggles you went through. What is the background of this? And the reason being is because people love a good story. People love to connect with someone. So this type of video you only have to make once to make it successful. Our next one is product or service videos. Now, I see your eyes rolling already, like, oh, I don't want to be a salesman. I don't want to be there on TV, like, this is my product, please buy. This is not the kind of stuff what we're gonna do. The goal here is to be more subtle and solution driven rather than the feature, right? We want to look at the solution. Some players do it really well, like GoPro does it really well, Red Bull does it really well, where most of their stuff is not even mentioned in their videos, but it's creating brand awareness, right? And with this type of videos, you can get really creative. Like either you can compare different products, or you could do a challenge only using your product, getting to a certain goal. It doesn't have to be cringe or salesy at all. So definitely one of the videos you should be creating. Number 4 is probably the backbone of your channel. This is going to be more than 50% of the videos that will be living on your channel as a business, especially if you're trying to drive sales through YouTube. And these are the how-tos and tutorials, right? This is answering all the questions that your customer have. This could be your FAQ on the website. If you're making content anywhere else, it's literally your listicles, your how to, I don't know if you sell chainsaws, like how to saw a tree down safely. I don't know, that was a very bad example, but you get the idea, right? This is the backbone of your business, and most of the times you'll just be making these kind of videos. All right, number 5, this is testimonials and case studies. We can start making all these tutorials and all these sales videos on our products and stuff like that, but you're struggling to convert them. And what's going to help with that is testimonials, because that gets you that social proof. And it's just so important. It's like you put in all the effort in all the other videos, but it's not doing anything until you introduce this and you show that you actually can get results and actually can do the things you promise to do to your customers or potential customers. Word of mouth sells the best. The best videos are actually when you jump on a call with a client where you had some successful stories with, and go through a framework like, where were you before we started working together? Where are you now after we started together? And an ideal world is like, I didn't know what to do. I didn't have any time. After I worked with you, we generated 5 to 10 leads a week or per month consistently. And now we're like financial free and all our time is opened up now. That is like a beautiful case study. And now people would like start clicking and buying from you immediately. All right, number 6, this is my favorite. Again, this is how Playstack came about. I'll tell you that story in a little bit, but why interviews are so helpful. One, it could be because like you're sharing an audience with someone that you interview. Also, it can be very resource simple. Like it doesn't have to be that difficult. You just ask someone to get on a call, ask them a few questions, and you kind of use their expertise and their credibility for viewers to come to your channel. Second one is just pure networking for your business. This is how people get to know us. Like, oh, what you guys do is like, oh, I might know someone that can help you. So that's like as a business, an indirect way as well. And then the way that Playstack came about is literally, I had a podcast on personal development. Mike, who is my co-founder, was listening to it because we were in a similar community on Facebook. Then we eventually met in a network event, and because we already had that relationship, or Mike was already getting to know me, everything became so much easier to start working together after that. So these are the 6 type of videos that I think are definitely essential for your YouTube channel if you're using it as a business to generate leads or just brand awareness. Now, keep in mind that quality comes over quantity. Unless you don't know what you're doing, I always say just try to make as many videos as possible, see what works, and then start working on quality. That is definitely true. Try to stay consistent, try to share value, and really like try to help your viewer with your content. And then my last tip I would say is like, once something works, just double down. Don't think that, oh, but I already made a video on this and I don't have to do it again. Please double down on something that works. Either that's a type of video, either that is a topic of video. Just do it again, do it again. Don't milk it, but like, don't be shy to do it once a month or like every quarter on the same topic. If you want more videos on YouTube growth, go check out this video right here.